Have you ever wondered how much water actually goes into a 12-ounce can of Coca-Cola? Well, the total amount will surprise you. To start, we need to know how much sugar is in a can of soda because there's a lot of water used to make the sugar itself. There are 39 grams of sugar used in one can of Coke. It's easier to say the amount in pounds. To convert to pounds, you divide by 454 grams to 39, and you'll get 0.08 pounds of sugar. Basically, 8% of 1 pound of sugar. Now for the water used in each pound of sugar, there's officially 200 pounds of water inside. The best way to measure water though is through gallons. There are 8 pounds to 1 gallon. To convert, you divide 8 by 200 to get your gallons. So there's a total of 2.14 gallons of water used just to grow the 1 pound of sugar from sugar cane. Now to process that pound of sugar, it takes 21,000 gallons of water to make 2,000 pounds of sugar. To convert, you take the pound of sugar and multiply the water while also dividing the 2,000 pounds of sugar. This will leave you around 4.05 gallons used just to process a pound of sugar. And now, the actual amount of water that is physically added to the drink itself is around 0.23 gallons of water. Not a whole lot, but the total at the end will scare you. Before the grand total though, some assumptions needed to be made. Such assumptions as not calculating the water that was used to manufacture and transport the actual can. With the assumptions complete, the total amount of water used in one can of Coke is 16.42 gallons. This means that 16.42 gallons of water went into the making of the Coke itself, not literally the amount of liquid inside. This doesn't seem like a lot, but the truth is that this much water is the equivalent of the amount of water an average human consumes within 33 days. So with each can of Coke made, we are throwing away a month's worth of water, and that's a lot.